Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Instagram account. You can recover your Instagram account within 30 days of the deletion process. Unfortunately, you cannot get your permanent deleted Instagram account, and even Instagram cannot help you get back the account. To recover your Instagram account, follow these steps. Open the Play Store app on your device. Search for Instagram in the search bar and tap on Install. Then, open the application. Tap on Login and enter your login credentials to log into your account. Immediately, your account will get recovered. If your account is deleted permanently, which means 30 days have passed after the deletion, then there is no way you can recover permanently deleted Instagram account. Not even the support team of Instagram can get it back to you. You will have to create a new Instagram account if you want to continue using the Instagram platform. If you have just deleted your account on Instagram and you want to recover deleted Instagram account back within 30 days of deletion, but you have forgotten your password, you can follow the steps in this video. Open the Instagram app, tap on the login option, then tap on Get Help Logging In. Enter your username, email, or phone in the field and tap on the Next. If your account is not deleted permanently, you'll see the three options: send an email, send an SMS, and log in with Facebook. Tap one of these that is accessible to you. If you tap on the Send an Email option, an email with a password reset link will be sent to you on your registered email ID. If you tap on Send an SMS, a verification code will be sent to you in a text message. You have to enter it in the Instagram app and you will be able to log in. If you tap on Log In with Facebook, then you have to enter the login details of your Facebook account that is linked with your Instagram account. If you have disabled your Instagram account temporarily, you can reactivate it even after 1 year. There is no time limitations for the same. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.